June is where gardeners make tough decisions. Some plants need to stay, some plants need to go, and some spaces have to be cleared so something new can grow. Funny thing is, gardens aren't the only place where that happens.
Hi, I'm Nikki, the OCDish chick. I'm a Maryland urban small space gardener growing in Zone 7B.
Most people would pull these out. They look done. They aren't producing food anymore. But if you wait, these pods would dry brown and become next year's seeds. Sometimes things still have value, even when they're no longer producing what they used to. Not everything that looks finished is finished. One of the hardest parts of gardening is removing plants that aren't serving the space anymore. Because once you've invested time in something, you want to keep it. But if I leave all of this here, the peppers can't grow. The beans can't grow. And next season never gets a chance. Sometimes we're holding on to things simply because we've already invested so much into them. Before I ask for more space, I need to appreciate what's already growing. A lot of us spend our lives chasing the next thing while ignoring the blessings we've already been given. Before I buy more, I need to use what I already have. Before I plant more, I need to harvest what's already here.
Young and tender. She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick better state that. ELOC rolling deep, can't break that. Young and tender, bringing that flame. From the dirt to the dish, she changing the game. Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. ELOC Nation, remember the name. Yo, yeah, tech. She don't follow, she lead. She planted, she grow, and she live where she speak.
Oregano. The more you harvest, the more it grows.
OCD chick. She don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
I'm gonna crush this, or if there are any lettuce seeds in here, they'll germinate in the fall. And this was hydroponically grown. Empty. Got more room.
Summer crops don't wait for perfect conditions. At some point, you stop planning, you stop researching, you stop preparing, and you plant. A lot of dreams die in the planning stage.
Okay, these are some before pictures. We're definitely going to come back with some afters. This is what it looks like before. What stays? What goes? And what grows next? I'm going to allow it to finish out its life cycle. Insects are all over this. I love them. And brassicas going to seed. And I'm going to leave a few out here to dry. Sprinkle into the beds, and hopefully those seeds would germinate naturally on their own. Stay tuned for the transformation. Lettuce is drying up. That's to be expected during these warm temperatures. Ah, nice surprise. Yes, this is going to be a little garden snack in a few. Sadly, the peas will be coming out. It's too warm for them. Things are about to change.
This garden looked crowded this morning. Now it has room to breathe, room to grow, room for the next season. Transformation doesn't always happen because you add something. Sometimes transformation happens because you finally remove what no longer belongs. June is a month of decisions. What stays? What goes? What gets harvested? What gets planted? And what gets another chance to grow? The garden teaches the lesson every year. You can't hold on to every season and still make room for the next one.
Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time.
If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.